Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Urdu Wisdom Point. Proving yourself is not always necessary. Some battles are won by not fighting at all. Every day, you waste your energy in conversations, forgetting yourself while trying to please others. Today, I will tell you how to recognize your silent power, how to value yourself, and how to influence people without arguments or conflict. These small habits can change your life and truly make you powerful. So let's begin and discover the secrets every wise person knows. Mind power does not mean controlling others by force. It is the art of gaining control over yourself. Good behavior and positive thinking create influence. The one who controls emotions is truly powerful. Reacting instantly in anger is weakness. Staying silent with wisdom is dignity. Speaking less is a sign of mind power. The one who listens carefully becomes influential. The other person feels important, and accepting your words becomes easier. A calm and confident presence creates impact. Neither lower your eyes nor stare aggressively. Your tone is more powerful than your words. A soft yet firm voice wins hearts. Shouting is considered weakness. Saying yes to everything is harmful. Saying no at the right time sets boundaries. Silence itself is a power. Not every statement needs a response. Ignoring something can also leave an impact. Do not reveal your weaknesses to everyone. Do not share every pain with everyone. A silent person appears dignified. True success lies in understanding. The one who understands others gains influence. Value yourself. Self-confidence is silent strength. Proving everything is not necessary. Avoiding arguments is intelligence. Patience often leads to victory. Choose your words carefully. Adopt silence at the right time. Do not make quick decisions. Understand others' emotions. Empathy creates influence. Maintain your dignity. Over-explaining is a weakness. Expect less, observe more. Not every smile means friendship. A wise person keeps control over themselves.